Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to Villages Nature, Paris. We have stayed here before, but not in this room category. This is going to be the one bedroom premium. Sorry, I was struggling with the lock. Okay, so we just got in. We are soaking wet. It's raining. It's poured on us for the entire 10-minute walk from the front entrance. So right when you come in, I'm discovering this in real time. So we're gonna have looks like they have a bucket. They're gonna have a little safe up here where you put your belongings. A little safe. And then they also have, looks like a pack and play here maybe, and a vacuum right over there, down there. Pack and play, vacuum, broom, a little mop maybe, a little dust mop back there. Close that up. And right when you walk in, hangers for your jackets and your purse, your little belongings. This is actually an electrical panel here. That's your fuse box and whatnot. So we're not gonna mess with that. Okay, we're gonna save the bedroom for later. So this configuration here, it does sleep 4 people. So when we came into the room, the bed was already out and made, so we didn't have to worry about it. Okay, so there is a pull-out couch here. It's already set, it was set up for us. There's also a table right next to the pull-out couch, but that's just a regular couch. Of course, like I said, pull-out couch, sofa bed. Over here, this is gonna be your little kitchenette. Tiny, tiny, but also cute. So very, very cute. We have a coffee maker, Nescafe, right here. Induction stove, right here. Looks like 2 burners, maybe 4. Right up here. We're gonna have a couple of wine glasses way back there in the back, and it doesn't look like there's anything else up here. But 2 wine glasses they provided us. And then we have some plates, a couple of mugs, and some bowls. I'll close that up. Right over here, a couple of utensils. They need to be washed or dusted off. Doesn't look like someone's used them for a while. Right down here, you got your silverware. Got a pot, and then looks like a pizza. No, that's the cover of the pot. That's something else. And then you have a couple of pans down here, and then one little saucepan, I guess. It also comes with a dishwasher right here. So when you're done cooking food, if you're cooking food, throw those dishes right in there, wash them up. A pot for heating water. That's gonna come in handy here. We also have a toaster and another coffee pot. This is drip coffee over here. So a little bit different from this Nescafe. This one's gonna be drip, drip, drip. We also have some more cups, some more mugs. Not sure what this is, but we have 2 of those. Maybe that's to put your mugs on, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, and a few more glasses right over here. And looks like you can open this just a little bit, crack it open. There's a nice little touch, a little window there. And then this is gonna open up as well. And during the day, hey, guess what? There's the Aqua Lagoon right over there. You guys might not be able to see it, but there's the Aqua Lagoon. We went there last time we were here, but that's cool that we can see it from here. I wish it was open this late. All right, and looks like they have a service set. Little cleaning kit with your sponges for cleaning and dishwasher tabs. All right, there's also a tiny sink, tiny faucet there. empty drawer, no drawer. And we have some more, like a little serving buckets, serving things. Bowls, thank you. It's been a long travel day, you guys. We've been traveling for well over, I think 30 hours. So it's been a long day. And right over here, that's where your trash can is gonna be. And a dustpan. And look, yeah, like a little serving tray over there. Maybe something to hold drinks on the way back, I don't know. Right in here, oh, hey, that's your fridge. Check that out. Got your fridge right there. Well hidden, pretty cool. Got a little toast, oh, no, microwave. I thought it was toaster oven. Microwave. Yeah. And right up there, you got your salad spinner. Long day, you guys, very long day. That's a really cool little chandelier. And then you have a table right here, seats for, a small TV. I'm gonna say that's about a 42-inch TV right there. You do have a phone, remote there. And then on the patio, it is dark, mind you, but dark and rainy, but look at this big old patio we get on this balcony, you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing this during the morning. I don't think we're gonna see it during the day because we're gonna be out at Disney. But look at that. And right over there, there's actually a lake right over here, I believe, but it's too dark where you can't see it. So we're gonna close that up for now. Close the curtains, so it is privacy time. All right, and guess what? They give you a high chair to feed your little one. So this is what it looks like when the bed is extended. You also have a mirror right behind the bed there. But that's cozy, you guys. I like the wallpaper.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit bigger.
All right, now we will go into the bedroom, but check this out. You have a barn door to separate the bedroom from the living room here.
Oh, there's more.
All right, let's open this up. Let's head in. Okay, so there's only one bathroom here. We'll check out bathroom number 1, which is the only one. In this bathroom here, you do get a bathtub, which is nice because I think I need to warm up my bones. You have a shower head right up here. That's good to get all your bits and bobs and bits. And a mirror here, a bowl, sink, which, okay, not bad. You do have a hairdryer right here. Some more lights. That one is not functioning, that's okay. What else we got? And a trash can right over there. You also have a towel heater. And I think we only got one towel for both of us. Huh.
Oh, no, they're on the bed.
Oh, there's more towels on the bed, my wife said. But you get a towel heater. So remember, Europe rules, towel heaters. I wish they do this more in the States. And you get, not really a full length mirror, but a mostly full length. Just shy of full. Hello. All right, right over here is going to be the water closet or toilet. 2 flushes here. And another little sink to wash your hands. And that's gonna be it for that. And moving on, this is gonna be the bedroom. All right. So it's not huge, but it's not as small as some of the bedrooms I've slept in here in Europe. This is actually nice. I like this. Look at this little coat hanger right here. It's wood, like wood. And you get like a little cubby area. And remember, this is, again, European rules. So you're gonna have your European sockets, one side table, another side table over there. You also get a crib that they put in here. And then another 42-inch TV. Tiny TV. That's it for that over there. So that's gonna be where the patio is, I believe. Yep, that's where the patio is, right out there. And I think you can open this window. No, there's a mini split in here though. Looks like it.
Because they have no air, but they have heat.
So, yes, we're gonna need to turn on the heat. We are cold, we are soaked, and we are tired. So that's gonna do it for this room tour. Again, this is the Village's Nature here in Paris, just outside of Disneyland Paris. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic travel, room tours, Disney, more travel, trains, planes, and Disney vlogs. That's our channel. Exploring Yeti, signing off from Paris, just outside Disneyland. Thank you guys for watching. We will catch you again. Have a good night. Bye-bye.